Alright, so one of the things I'm testing on this bike is the stability on the highway here. Mr. Holy Shift looks like he's holding court. He's talking over here. What's up? Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. We've got a ton of surprises for you in today's video. We are headed out to Bikes and Breakfast. Almost the entire crew is going today. And my buddy's Glenn's amazing BMW 1600K to see how this bike feels and rides. He's going to let me ride it today. Looking sweet. Anything else since the last time we saw it?
I don't think so.
No? The seat is not new?
I did the custom dynamics, you know, with the brake lights.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
So that is new.
Yeah,
That's the same seat you had always, or is that a different one?
No, that's Saddleman.
Okay.
Remember I redid the
Yeah,
stock?
that's right.
That's Saddleman.
It looks awesome.
But yeah, nothing else. Not much more you could do.
Yeah, it's just right. All right, we got Senior, we got Georgie and his awesome Indian. Look at Senior's bike, looking freaking awesome. Look at his new bars right here. Listen to this. Oh, D&D, that thing sounds awesome. I'm also continuing to test out this Insta360 that they sent me. I absolutely everything about it. The only thing that I'm going to tell you is I think the quality of the video, and I'm shooting at 4K 30 compared to the 4K in the GoPro. I think the GoPro's got it beat a little bit. In future videos, I'm going to do some side-by-side so that you can judge for yourself. The other thing that I'm not happy about, probably the only thing so far that I'm not happy about, is the field of view on this camera is limited. The GoPro has a much wider field of view without losing the distortion. So look, those are the only two things so far that I have found. Other than that, this camera is staying with me. It's practical, it's easy to use, the battery life is great. It's got the vertical mode. I can easily switch them out. The mounts are super easy. But I'm going to continue to test that out. We're headed to the new spot that I told you about. All right, I'm going to put some tunes on, enjoy the ride over there. Most of the crew is meeting at this first spot, and then from there, we're going to go to Bikes and Breakfast. And I've got to show you some of the upgrades that have been happening to some of the bikes in the crew. Sammy's done some great things to his Roguelite Special. Looks freaking awesome. I'm going to show you that. So enjoy. Look at this. Let me show you this. Look at this crew. Mr. Holy Shift looks like he's holding court. He's talking over here. What's up? What's up, man? What's up, brother? What's going on? Congrats, my man. Awesome, bro. What's up, buddy? How you doing, man? Mr. Cycle Fanatics right there. Yeah. We got Glenn. Check out all the bikes as usual. All right, we're gonna go follow John. Mr. Hudson Motor Visuals is in the car today. So we just grabbing a little coffee there. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification.
Oh, you riding this?
Yeah, he's gonna let me test it. So Glenn is on my bike and I'm on his rocket ship. Man, this bike feels so good. Alright, so one of the things I'm testing on this bike is the stability on the highway here. Feels very stable. Man, this bike is so comfortable. That's a nice firm ride. Let me change that to road here to see how it feels. Glenn looking good on Sandstorm. This bike is very, very nimble. So the most important thing that I was testing on this bike, and Glenn, I appreciate you letting me check this out, is some of the videos online talk about how the bike is not really stable here in highway speeds, and I gotta tell you, this thing is super planted. Look, it's very nimble, so if you apply any pressure here, the bike is moving, and that takes some getting used to, but that's really because it's responsive, not because of it's not stable. I mean, this feels awesome. So I was telling Glenn, Sandstorm looking nice. There we go. It's not often I get a chance to admire my bike from this distance. Bike looking awesome. Put this windshield up. Damn. Windshield looks awesome, but at the highest position, it does interfere. So, yeah, like right there, it's pretty good. There you feel the wind. Right there, it's good. My God, it's so smooth, this bike. These roads are still a little wet. I'm going to continue to test this bike. I'll catch you at Bikes and Breakfast. boys up here. That's my bike. Man, we got a lot of bikes here. Go ahead, Glenn. Tell him what do you think about the Wilbur suspension?
Way better than Legends.
I told you.
I can tell you that right now.
All right.
Better.
Awesome.
Much more smooth ride.
Yeah.
You don't feel any bumps. The bike doesn't wallow over anything.
All right, there you have it. A good review from Glenn, who's had years of experience testing out the Wilbur suspension. Loved it, man. Dude, that thing is super stable. It's because it's so nimble.
Yeah.
Right? So as soon as you touch it, the bike goes like that.
Yep.
But that's handling. That's not
Exactly.
unstable.
When you're in wind with the trucks, anything.
Listen, I got right next to those trucks, and it was straight.
On your leg.
Nothing.
And on your bike.
Nothing. Yeah, you're getting blasted. That windshield's awesome, man. You raise it a little bit. Thanks, man. That was super helpful. Yeah, appreciate it, man. All right, we're gonna go in here and hang out for a little bit. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna walk around. Got Mr. Cycle Fanatics right there. We're gonna check out some of the bikes. Look at this. What's this?
Oh, ZX10R. That's nice.
That's nice. So this is like the daddy. This is like the daddy of Steve's bike, huh?
That's the daddy of Steve's bike. Yes.
Sorry, Steve. What is this? That's an older CBR, right?
Yeah, older Firebird.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's nice. That blue is beautiful.
Too bad he's not.
Yeah, he's not around. Yeah. Look at this thing.
If you're looking for sun, you
I know.
should actually look at this.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hell yeah. Badass. And not expensive.
No, they're not. I know. I was looking at them. That's a cool looking bike, man. All right, we're gonna go have some breakfast, check out a local spot. Got Mr. Cycle Fanatics. You got the crew right there. Check them all out. Look at that. Let's roll. Hopefully you enjoyed checking out some of those cool bikes. Let me tell you, I saw that Yamaha MT-10. That bike looks really good. I might have to go check that out. Yeah, that BMW is amazing, but there will always be a Harley Davidson in my garage. There's nothing like it, I'm telling you. But I did absolutely love that BMW bagger. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. It is absolutely beautiful out. It's 59 degrees, and it's March 3rd. Take this beautiful weather, beautiful roads, hanging out with the crew, testing out different bikes, showing you different bikes. That's what it's all about here on the Fly and Ride channel. So if you like this content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of content like this one in the future. Glenn got a chance to obviously ride my my bike. He hadn't ridden it before, and as probably most of you know, and I'll leave the video up here, we did a full Wilbur's suspension, front and rear, on this bike. And he said he absolutely loved it. He said hands down best suspension he's ever felt on a Harley. And Glenn's been riding for a long time, so it says a lot. And I'm going to do a full review on the Wilbur suspension here in an upcoming video. I haven't done it. I've been putting some miles on it, frankly. But spoiler alert, it's absolutely awesome. All right, we are here. Lights. Nice. Looks good. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful bike. It's a great lineup. All right, let's go grab something to eat. All right, so that was an awesome meal. If you haven't checked this place out, Rhodes North Tavern, really, really good food. I didn't show it to you because we were just enjoying it and having a good time. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. It's beautiful out. We're gonna head home. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. Thanks for watching.